In this video, I will show you how to download and install PyCharm IDE on your Mac operating system. But before installing PyCharm, you should have Python installed in your Mac system. And to check whether it is installed or not, on terminal we will type python 3 space hyphen version, this particular command. If you also get output something like this, then it means the Python is installed in your system. Otherwise, you can download and install Python easily by following the another video, and the link of that video is in the description below. Now to install PyCharm, we need to search for download PyCharm on any browser, and we need to look for this link, which is this jetbrains.com PyCharm download. We will just open this link. Here it will automatically detect our operating system and macOS will be selected already. Here first we will see this option, which is PyCharm Professional, which is the paid version, and if we scroll down a little bit, then we will see this community version also. Here if we click on this drop down, then we will have two options. One is the Intel one, the second one is Apple Silicon. So if your Mac is based on Intel chip, then you need to go with the Intel option. On the other hand, if your system is based on Silicon chip, then go with the Apple Silicon option. And to check the chip type, we will click on this Apple icon, which is present on this left top corner, and here we will click on this about this Mac. Here we can find the chip information. If Intel is written in the chip information, then we will go with the Intel option. Otherwise, we will go with the Apple Silicon option. Since for me it is Apple M1, so it means it is a silicon based Mac system. So I will go with the Apple Silicon option. So I will close this first. Now I will click on this Apple Silicon. The downloading will start automatically here. Once it is downloaded, I will navigate to the location where it is downloaded. So I will open the downloads folder in the Finder. Here I will double click on this DMG file. Now to install PyCharm IDE into your Mac system, we just need to drag this PyCharm icon into this applications folder here. This will copy this PyCharm app into the applications folder. Now we can close this window. And we can eject this PyCharm from here. For that we will right click on this and say eject PyCharm CE. We can launch PyCharm from the launchpad as well as from the applications folder. And to launch from the launchpad, we will type command and space keys to open up Spotlight search. And here we will search for launchpad. We will select this launchpad here. Now we will search for PyCharm here. Here it is. So we will click on this PyCharm icon. This will launch the PyCharm. We will say open here. So now our PyCharm is successfully installed and we have launched this. Let's now create a simple Hello World project. For that we will click on this new project here. Here we will give the name of the project. So we will write Hello World project. Here this is the project location which we will keep as it is. Now here we have three options for Python interpreter: project virtual environment, base conda, and the custom environment. We can select any one based on our use case. And for this video I will keep this project virtual environment itself, and this will create one .venv folder inside our project folder. Here also it is written that the Python virtual environment will be created in this Hello World project folder. And PyCharm will automatically detect the Python version which is installed on our Mac along with the location of that. For my case it is Python 3.12. So we will select this from this drop down if it is not selected already. Now we will click on this create button here. It is currently indexing the dependencies. Once the project is created, we will see the project name here, and below this we will see this .venv folder. And inside this folder bin directory is created to keep the binary files, and along with this we will have this lib directory also. Now to create the Python file, we will right click on this and select new and then Python file. We will give the name as hello and double click on this Python file here. So this will create the hello.py file which will have this .py extension automatically. Now in this file we can write any Python script. So for now I will just print the hello world, and for that we will write print then hello world. Let's save this file Then we can click on this run button here to execute this Python file, or alternatively we can right click on this and select run hello from here. And here we can see our output, which is hello world. So I hope the video was useful to you.